Collective, let me tap into your energy and see if this is your current situation as of now. If not, please don't try to fit in. Please give me last 2 cards for my collective. Tarot angels, thank you so much. And yes. Okay. Night life. So, you might taking a journal or notes, not just in a paper, maybe in online, social media, only me, or sending a message to yourself in the night about something that you want to take a risk. You've been looking back for what happened in the past, and you think that you can dive in since you already learned a lot of things that had to happen. So you can cherish what you want to have. Okay, that's what I heard. Yeah, and you might want to meet someone and propose or offer a commitment. Okay? So if it's not you, you know what to do. So I want to know, what are the things that you are taking notes at the night? Thank you so much. Please give me one last card, angels, for my collective. What are they taking notes? Oh. Before you made the bad investment or you didn't choose this person. Let's just say this person because I think it's about love. You're taking notes about love. And you didn't choose this person before because you think the grass is greener on the other side. So you're not talking to this person. You're not with your person. So this is not your situation. Please don't try to fit in. You might get triggered, okay? You manifest something before that you didn't know that it came true. It just suddenly came in front of your very eyes, but it seems too good to be true for you. So you lost your opportunity. You didn't choose this. You might there's a lot of questions inside your head, and you don't think if I'm worthy, it is worth a try, something like that. Is this person gonna hurt me? Is this person, will I gonna hurt them? Something like that. A lot of question, a lot of stagnation, a lot of back and forth, and a lot of headache. Yeah, a lot of sleepless night. So, during your isolation, you're thinking a lot how to come forward, okay? To offer a friendship, to offer support. However, you're thinking about what others gonna say, what others gonna think. I think there's a lot of risk by taking out this action, right? You've been focusing on what to the other people. You've been focusing to what are they gonna think, what they gonna do, instead of your own happiness. So at first you thought this just last. It wasn't really serious. It will just go by. It will be vanished once you just ignore your feelings. But day by day, you realize the truth. You see the clarity. Yeah, I feel before your energy is kind of everywhere. You really don't know what to do because you've been listening to a lot of people. But right now, you know what to do. If I read your current energy, you know what to do. I don't know what to say. I heard the song, You by Basil Valdez. You might know that. It's a very popular song here in the Philippines. I'm sorry. I just woke up. I'm really sorry. You look at this person is like your mentor. And this person is also aligned with your principle. And you already know that this person is the right choice, the right partner, the puzzle that can fit in your life, your other half, your soul contract. You already know that. So you're ready to tell the truth. That's why you're ready to offer something. You know what you want. You know what to do. You already don't care what other people's gonna say, what people gonna do. You're ready to protect. You're ready to bring your swords up to the knight, to the king. And I suppose you are in your energy as of now. I suppose you are ready to be an emperor. Yeah. It means you will control everything except this person. Because you will, even though you are in your emperor or king, as of now, your energy, you are willing, despite of your gender, you are willing to be a support and a protector of your person. So, yeah, let's see what Sir Gates want to tell you, my collective. That's nice. A masculine energy is learning. It's really something. It's not that I see that kind of energy every day, but it's really amazing. Thank you so much for your guides and for my tarot angels. Yep. Protect your boundaries and have a clear communication once you offer something to your person. Embrace your uniqueness, do it your way, and do not be tamed by others. Do not even back out when others gonna say something negative within your situation. They are not in the position to tell you the right things. It's okay to ask for guides or to look at the other options, but do not try to put in your situation because a lot of people have a different situation and what kind of direction they want to choose, okay? So, be mindful. You might be asking for a lot of advice and some of them are not really good for you. So, you have to make a choice to yourself. Yeah. See, tend to your own garden. Slow down and sustain ability. Once you do that, the sureness of soil will be bloom. You will get a lot of help. And there's your guides always helping you behind your back. So always pray and believe in them. Trust them. They are your supports. And you will see a lot of people that who is your soul tribe aligned with your soul. Okay? So, collective, make a better choice and bye.